This is Techno. Today I'll show you how to design this type of logos. It's very simple and basic to design such a logo. I have already told you and give you tutorial about the path divider and playing with different shapes. So same technique we're going to apply. So start with the circle, draw basic circle. Let's say, okay. So just for a moment scale it down and side. Now this is what the logo is. For a moment like this one, let it now copy paste it and just scale it down like this. Now place it in the center, and here you can see the circle of center of the bigger circle touches the circle of the smaller radius. Now just copy paste the smaller one, control C and control V, and placed it above the previous one like this. Now just select all the shapes and go to the pathfinder tool and then ungroup it. Now you can delete this one and now give these two a stroke of this gradient, sorry, gradient of this. It's better to give them. Now select these both shapes and go to the joint mode. So we have joined them, and now select this circle and just drag it down along with the shift key and placed it in the center, and give it a gradient like this. So here we have got a, let it be more smaller like this one. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. I hope you understand the video. If so, kindly do subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this. Bye.